Hey everyone, today we're going to walk through how to use Notion AI. If you're new to the Notion or if you've heard about Notion AI and are not sure about where to start, this video is for you. So let's jump right into it. So you might be asking, what is Notion? Notion AI is a tool within Notion that helps you write, organize, brainstorm ideas, and even summarize long pieces of text. Think of it like a virtual assistant that helps you get more done in Notion. Notion itself is an app that lets you create notes, manage tasks, organize projects, and a lot more. Notion AI just adds a layer of artificial intelligence that can help you work faster. Alright, so to start using Notion AI, you'll need a Notion account. So head over to Notion's website, sign up if you haven't yet, and log in. You can use Notion on your web browser or you can just download the app on your desktop or mobile device. Both work great, but having the app can make it easier to stay organized on the go. So let's start by creating a new page where we can test on Notion AI. So to do that, just click on the plus new page button in the sidebar and then go ahead and give this page a name like Notion AI Practice. Or just write something simple. So once you've named it, you're ready to start adding content. Alright, so now for the fun part, using the Notion AI. You'll notice there's an Ask AI button or an AI option in the toolbar at the top of the page. You can click on that anytime to use or to start using AI. Also, another way to use it is by typing /AI in the page, and a little menu will pop up with different AI options. Now let's walk through a few of the cool things that you can do with Notion AI. So first is brainstorming ideas. You can say you're brainstorming ideas for your project. So type something like /AI and then ask Notion AI to brainstorm ideas for new YouTube video topics, and Notion AI will generate a list of ideas for you. You can even ask for more specific ideas like brainstorm topics for a travel vlog. Number two is summarizing text. If you have a long paragraph of notes and you want to take a quick summary, just highlight the text, then right click and select Summarize with AI. Notion AI will create a short summary for you, and this can save a ton of time if you're working with a lot of information. Number three is generating a to-do list. So you can also ask Notion AI to help you make to-do lists. For example, you could type create a to-do list for planning a party. And then Notion AI will come up with a list of steps to follow, like sending an invitation, setting up a menu, and organizing decorations. Number four is writing assistance. If you need help with the writing, Notion AI is there to assist you too. So you can ask it to write a blog post, draft an email, or even help you rephrase sentences to make them clearer. Now for organizing content in Notion with AI. So Notion is organized in blocks, which means each piece of text, image, or list is in its own block. So when you're using Notion AI, you can create specific blocks for the AI to generate content in. For example, you can create a header block for brainstorming ideas, and then have Notion AI to fill in the list of ideas right below. So to setting up databases, Notion also has databases like tables boards, and lists. You can use AI in these databases too. So if you're planning a project, you could create a table and use AI to help fill in different project phrases, faces, or task ideas. Another great feature of Notion AI is that it can give you ideas where you're feeling stuck. So you can ask Notion AI things like, what are some unique ideas for a blog post about productivity? Or just give me content ideas for a travel Instagram page. And this makes it really easy to find inspiration without leaving Notion. So you can also improve your writing. So Notion AI can also be used for editing. So just type or paste the text and you can ask Notion AI to make it more formal, casual, or clear. This is super helpful for people who want to refine their writing. You can also collaborate with others in Notion AI. So, Notion AI isn't just for solo use, you can also collaborate with others. So, let's say, for example, you're working on a group project or team task list. In Notion, you can invite others to your workspace and then they'll have access to Notion AI as well. So, everyone can contribute ideas and notes or even edit text together in real time. So, how to add collaborators? So, to add a collaborator, you just have to click on the share button at the top right of your page and then just enter their email address. Once they're in, everyone can make edits, leave comments, and even use AI features within the shared workspace. This is great for brainstorming sessions, creating a shared to-do lists, or editing document as a team. So, for example, let's say you're planning an event with a team. You could create a to-do list and use Notion AI to generate tasks, then assign specific items to each team member. It keeps everything organized, and with Notion AI, you can get reminders or updates on a new ideas and action points. Personalizing your workspace is also available in Notion AI. So, one of the best parts about Notion is that it's so customizable, which also applies to Notion AI. You can set up your workspace to look and feel exactly how you want. For example, you could create a different pages for work projects, personal goals, or even habit tracking and then use AI to help fill in the templates or create checklists. So in creating templates, you can create templates for anything you do regularly, like daily journaling or weekly planning. Let's say you make a weekly goals template. So each week you can click on the template and Notion AI can help you brainstorm goals, list your priorities, or even suggest new ideas based on your previous entries. So, and if you prefer working distraction free, try adding or adjusting the layout of your pages and minimizing unnecessary items. Notion has a full page mode, which hides the sidebar and makes the workspace less cluttered. This way, you can focus better and let Notion AI handle the rest. And that's it. Thank you for following along with this guide to Notion AI. By now, you should have a solid foundation in how to use Notion AI rather, for writing, organizing, collaborating, and customizing your workspace. I hope these steps help you get most out of Notion AI. If you'd like more tips and tricks on Notion, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time. Bye.